Welcome to a new video and a new trap for the series of Learn and Improve for the topic opening traps and tricks. The game started with d4, f5, and this is the Dutch defense. White continues with e4. F take e4, knight c3, knight f6, bishop g5. And now black start to play some inaccurate moves. He played e6. Maybe knight c6 is better, but he played e6. So white immediately challenged and took in the center with pressure on f6. Pressure on f6. So normal move and developing move, bishop e7, bishop take f6, bishop take f6, and now knight f3 in the game, but maybe queen to h5 is very strong. In the game, knight to f3, okay, castles, and bishop to d3. This is the usual setup of white against the Dutch defense. So b6, knight e5, and now white is preparing maybe for queen to h5 or queen to g4. Bishop b7 and queen to h5. Queen to h5 in the game, and queen to g4 also is a strong move with a slight advantage for white. So queen to h5, and now white with many threats against the h7, and maybe the knight will take on f6. So black thought that he can take with the g-pawn on f6, and he can play the queen to e7, and so on. He will protect the h7 pawn. But he missed the next move for white. So here in this position, there is many defenses for black. One of the defenses is to take on e5 immediately. Bishop take e5, d take e5, rook to f5, attacking and challenging the queen. Queen to g4, rook to a5, and castle, and this is unclear position. So the other defense may be to g6 immediately, attacking the queen, and queen to g4 with the idea of h4, h5. So in the game, black thought that he can defend here the h7 pawn with the queen if he takes on f6 with the g pawn. So knight, if knight take on f6, but white has something else in his mind. So queen take h7 immediately, double exclamation mark for this move. Queen take h7 check, of course, king take h7, and now knight h6, knight take f6, double check. So king to h6, because of king to h8 with knight to g6 is a checkmate. So knight e to g4, knight e g4 check, king g5, h4 check, f4, g3 check, king f3, bishop e2 check, king g2, rook to h2 check, king to g1, and now there is king to d2 checkmate, or castling queenside will deliver checkmate. King to d2 or castling queenside, and this is how the king march from here, 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 and here. And this is absolutely beautiful game and a beautiful trap. Thank you for watching, and see you next video and next trap.